Right here's where
Ready?
things get serious.
Let's roll,
This isn't
nerds.
just a shoplifting accusation. The charge is fraudulent destruction of a price tag, which in Texas can land you in jail for up to 6 months and cost over $2,000. Ever wonder why swapping a sticker can be treated like a full-blown theft? Let's break it down. It's because it's considered intentional fraud. What do you think? Is that fair, or is it too harsh for the crime?
You are Jose Aguilar Barrera. You speak English? Ok, tome asiento, por favor. Vamos a esperar.
Judge, I can call the next one up.
Ok.
And then I'll text you. Page 11, Jackson, come on up.
Right here's where things get serious. This isn't just a shoplifting accusation. The charge is fraudulent destruction of a price tag, which in Texas can land you in jail for up to 6 months and cost over $2,000. Ever wonder why swapping a sticker can be treated like a full-blown theft? Let's break it down. It's because it's considered intentional fraud. What do you think? Is that fair, or is it too harsh for the crime?
You are Latoya Jackson. Ms. Jackson, you were charged with fraudulent destruction of a price tag. You are facing up to 6 months in jail and or $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to, bless you. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Good morning.
On December 30th, 2024, the officer was dispatched to a theft at a business in Harris County, Texas. Upon arrival, the officer spoke with a loss prevention officer who advised he was watching surveillance when he noticed the defendant removing price tags off items and placing them on different items in her basket. The total was $136.27. And when the officer spoke with the defendant, she admitted to removing price tags and placing them on different items before checking out.
Jackson, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer, ma'am? Do you work? What do you do for a living?
Healthcare.
Okay. What kind of money do you make a month? Do you have any children? Okay. Do you get support for the child? Did you want to apply for an appointed lawyer? Okay. Do you mind giving an application, please? Deputy Lopez is going to give you an application. I'll have you fill it out. I'll see. I need to know everything about you, and I'll take a look to see whether you qualify. If you do, I'll provide you a lawyer today, man. Please.
All right, Judge, I can call this better supervisor.
Okay.
You're on any bond conditions for?
Oh, I'm sorry. Thank you so much. Yes. No going, where was it from?
The Walmart.
Okay, no going to any Walmart.
Yes, Judge.
If you don't mind filing that, and then, hey, I forgot to do conditions, and so before she goes, we'll do, no going to Walmart.
That's from the state.
Yeah. All right, you are Aguilar Barrera.
Con palabra.
Sí, soy yo.
Yes.
Okay, sir, you were charged with driving while intoxicated. You are facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed.
Oof, slurred speech, bloodshot eyes, and a curb-hitting entrance? That's the trifecta officers look for in a DWI stop. And notice he refused both the breath and blood tests, which is absolutely his right. But here's the twist: in Texas, that refusal doesn't mean you walk away. The judge can still sign a warrant and get that evidence another way.
To you, sir.
Yes, Judge. The officer initiated a traffic stop after observing the defendant failed to maintain a single lane and run over a curb in an underpass in Harris County, Texas. Upon contact, the officer observed unsteadiness, slurred speech, bloodshot eyes, and a strong odor of an alcoholic beverage. The defendant did not consent to standard field sobriety tests. The DIC was read, and the defendant refused a blood and breath sample. A search warrant was signed and executed.
Can you see any prior DWIs? And have you see it?
I have no license on file, and there's no prior DWIs.
Okay. Mr. Aguilar Barrera, I don't know what your immigration status is, but if you were in this country without permission and you go to jail long enough and immigration finds you, they will put an immigration detainer on you and you will be stuck in custody until this case is over with. And then you will be shipped off to immigration where you will sit for another 6 to 9 months. You do not have a Texas driver license. You are not allowed to drive. Do you understand?
Sí, señor.
Yes, sir.
I don't care what's going on in your life. I don't care if you need groceries. I don't care if there's a burning building and you have to save 50 kittens. You drive, I can have a contempt hearing. I can hold you in contempt, slap you with another 6 months in jail and or a $500 fine every time you drive. You will be signing an affidavit with me today, promise.
Did you catch that? The judge just made it crystal clear one more slip up, and immigration could get involved, meaning this case could turn into something far more life-altering than a traffic charge. This is where courtroom drama turns into real-world consequences, and fast.
You're not going to drive. Do you understand?
Sí, lo entiendo.
I'm also ordering you as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. You will be randomly tested. If I find that you're consuming any kind of alcohol or illegal drugs, likewise, you will go to jail. No more PR bonds for you. You got out of jail quick because we gave you a PR bond. If you pick up a new case or violate conditions, I will revoke your bond and you will be stuck in there for at least 6, maybe 10, maybe 12 hours. And that's when immigration will put their clutches all over you. This is the only warning you're going to get. Heed this warning. How old are you, sir? What do you do for a living? How much money do you make a month?
Como unos 3,000 a la mes.
All right, we're going to give you time to go hire a lawyer. So I'm going to have you come up here.
I have an
Oh,
attorney.
you do?
Sí, hay abogado.
Business.
Andro.
Oh, and drug it? Okay, so this is what we'll do. I'm going to have you swear to us you're not going to drive. I'll get you to Victoria to sign a reset. I'll have you meet with Felicia for your bond conditions, and then we'll just have you wait in back for your lawyer to arrive.
Gracias.
Please.
Thank you, señor.